Alright guys, good morning, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love DIYs and cars, you might want to consider subscribing and check out my playlist. Alright, so for today's session, I'm gonna show you a hack. This is a common problem with, or not a problem, but common uh, complaint of Hyundai owners that they hear a like a coin underneath the car when they are idling, accelerating, or decelerating. It doesn't matter. They sometimes hear a coin underneath the vehicle. So I'm gonna show you one trick on how to get rid of that irritating sound. Um, the culprit of that one is the exhaust flexible pipe. So I'm gonna explain to you what's the purpose of that and why are we doing this. All right, so before we do this, we need to understand the purpose of the flexible pipe or the flex pipe. The flex pipe's purpose is basically it's actually to protect your exhaust system. It gives a flexibility on your exhaust system from the headers up to your muffler. What it does is, because the engine vibrates a lot, if imagine from your header to your exhaust, it's just one piece of solid steel. When the engine vibrates, there is a tendency that the connection or the tube itself might break because of the vibration. So the flex pipe absorbs that vibration to protect your exhaust system. Now, so the reason why we're gonna do this is because sometimes the flexible pipes connection, there is like two ring tubes on both ends of the flexible pipes. Sometimes they get loose in time. So those, if they are loose, those are the one making the coin-like noise when the engine vibrates. So this is a hack that I wanted to share with you guys.
A few moments later.
So for this DIY, all you need to do, or all you need to have, would be your jack. I already jacked up my car, and then a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver, whichever is the type of screw on your clamp. So a clamp, this is the clamp that we will be using. We need two for both ends. Okay, the measurement of this one is 2.5 inches or 4263 millimeters. So this is not this is just galvanized, but I would suggest you guys use a stainless steel clamp. There's no available when I purchased this, so just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, and yeah, let's go ahead and install this.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, guys, so that is our flex pipe, and this is the ring that I'm referring to. This one and then the other side. So we will just clamp both sides and to help avoid that irritating noise. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me just place you guys on a nice angle. All right, there you go. So this is how you install it. Just completely loose the clamp so you can insert that, and then tighten the screw. Let me go ahead and do that. So the reason why I recommend you guys using a stainless clamp is because this might this will definitely rust in a short period of time, and this might be the cause of corrosion on your exhaust system or flex pipe. Instead of helping, this might cause you more damage. And let me just tighten this up a bit. And because your flex pipe, this is made out of a stainless. So it doesn't, so though it's colored brown, it's not rust. Those are dirt. Okay, now it's tight. Um, all you need to do is just put in another clamp on the other side. If you happen to see maybe a thicker clamp, a wider clamp like that, that would be better for better coverage on this one. But this would work. This would definitely work. Two clamps, and yeah, that should eliminate that irritating noise that you often hear on your or underneath your vehicle.
Later.
Alright guys, so just finished installing the clamp, and hopefully you find this DIY useful. Let me know what happened after installing the clamp on the comment section below. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me on this DIY video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and check out the playlist that I have. Thank you so much. Until our next DIY video.